What it do, YouTube? We back. We're back. Hey, man. Just left the movies. Hey, man. I ain't gonna lie. I watched a scary movie. So you got in front of me, go slow. I just watched a scary movie. Wayne's Brothers. Hey, hilarious. It had its moments, had nostalgia, and it was like, I watch horror movies, so I knew a lot of the stuff that they was referencing. I got my, you feel me? I got that sunroof open just so y'all can maybe hear some of the, you feel me? Got a burner Mustang. We're gonna close that until we get out the interstate. You feel me? A whole lot of money involved. I might drive through downtown real quick, get a little sneak peek of how the night look. Man, we really have to be like, I think, more supportive of, especially black people, of our people, instead of downgrading and speaking negatively, like, or saying what I would do. It's like, but you're not even in a position to do the things that you telling them what they shouldn't or shouldn't be doing. Like, if I was you, but you're not me. You're not in position to do this. And it's a lot easier to say what you would have did. If I put it like this. A lot of times when people be telling stories, people like, well, if it was me, I would have did this. You don't know what you did in the actual moment. You're able to think and hear what I said happen for you to be like, okay, this is what I would have done. You don't know what you would have did in that exact moment. You have time to think and digest what I'm saying. But people don't understand that. They think a lot of times in the moment you go off instinct. Sometimes life experience will help with that instinct. But it's not automatically that's not guaranteed. Let's be factual when we talk about this stuff. And if somebody's venting about something, you should be a voice of reasoning instead of saying what I would do. It's like understanding moment. Pothole. Damn. Just hit one. Hey, shout out to Mercedes. They let you know when potholes coming. A pothole. Yeah, they not fixing the mother. Yeah. Don't worry, we will not fix that anytime soon. That pothole will stay there for a couple of years. There was a pothole right outside my driveway. It took them like a year or so to come fix that. And then a lot of things they fix with Oreo cookie crumbs. Like, man, come on, man, repave it, man. Don't be just throwing some crumbs right there. Somebody going fast. It is the CMAs. God dang. I want to have bad. I wonder how bad this street is. It's a party. It was funny. I was watching the news the other day. It was in preparation of the CMA, and they said, yeah, watch out for potential scammers. They are going out for regular people and people in the music industry. And it's like, all right, y'all really scamming people? Y'all, all the white people getting scammed and they doing the scamming. All right, so I don't hear nothing else about black people scamming, because y'all out here the ones doing it. Dang. It is a one way. We're gonna say no way, because it look like it might take a minute. And yeah, I got somewhere to be. I might change shirts, but I don't know yet. It'd be like a whole lot of money involved. I still ain't been to the amphitheater right there. I don't know if y'all can see it. Well, it's the one with the letters on it. Hey, Mercedes.
How can I help?
Turn ambient light to red.
Okay, I'm changing the color.
I just want to give this little look for a little minute. Just, drive with the red. Look like it poke out more. It was funny. It was a study saying the blue light keep you up longer. Like it help you stay awake over all the other colors. Good old CMAs in Nashville. Toy Story 5, Taylor Swift. What? Super Bowl 2030 right there. They having a party in the old Titan Stadium. You can kind of hear the music playing. That guy they said that ran the court in game one got permanently banned from all NBA arenas. Went to jail and something else. Like, all for a selfie. It's like, is it really worth it? Like, you can probably talk to one of the security guards and get on the court after the game. But I guess you really wanted a selfie with the players. Like, man, get there doing warm-ups. They probably took a selfie for it with you. All right. They got cones out there, everything, no left turns. Like, dang, what if I need gas? You know, this street is a one-way, but dang, what if I need gas? That man got, I don't know if y'all can see it. Y'all can. That man got a Super Saiyan 4 Vegeta on the gas tank. If y'all know Dragon Ball Z, you know. I ain't gonna lie. Hey, these next couple months on game is gonna be expensive. Think about it. We got college football, Madden. If you into anime, you got the Dragon Ball Z, Spark and Zero DLC that's coming out. Then you got NBA 2K come out right after right after Madden. Then you got GTA right after that. And if you're a Call of Duty guy, you know they're gonna bring out another Call of Duty around November-ish. It's like, yeah. And think about it, if you've been on top of game, if you had got Lego Batman and James Bond that came out back to back, yeah. Hey, somebody Trump rallying. Yeah. Sound like that old city paper. Stuff skipping. Got that old CD player. Yeah. Funny thing, I went to Velvet Taco last night, and you know, some girls kind of staring at me. It was four of them staring at me when I walk in. You feel me? Just going to get my food. I had my mic on still from vlogging, and you know they didn't say nothing. Then you know at Velvet Taco, when you have an order, they say your name on the loudspeaker, no matter if you are ordering to go or in house, right? Say my name, Larry. Your order is ready. Cool. I go pick up my food. I walk out. So Larry, what's the mic for? Do you do content? It's like, huh? Hold on. I'm so like, I was about to lie, say my name not Larry, but I was like, yeah, y'all say it by name like y'all know me. Hold up. It was like, oh, ooh. And yeah. Oh, funny story. We're gonna do a little quick story time. Quick stories. One thing too is a pet peeve of mine. One thing about me, if I ask a girl to follow me on social media, I'll type my name in or they can type it in, whatever. But I don't press the follow button. I leave that up to them to still have that decision. And I'm not checking my phone to see if you followed. You feel what I'm saying? What is your purpose of hitting follow and then hitting unfollow? Because I'm not even watching to see if you hit follow. Because I don't care. But anyways, one girl did that thing on her own. Another girl did it because I think her friend said something to her. But her friend trying to holler at my friend, and it's like, kind of got history with the person, but like, I'm not even trying to holler at her friend. Yeah, anyway, it's like, hey, why would you block? But I'm not blocking you. Like I'm letting it be like that's crazy. So you can talk to my homie, but your friend can't even follow me on Instagram? Alright, say less. It's cool. And I'm not decided to be like, man, I'm a block. Nah, man, I let it be, man. Y'all have fun. Y'all do y'all thing. It's just crazy. It's I don't know if it's really gonna be in a vlog I'm gonna put out. I'm gonna record part 2 of the vlog tonight. Hopefully I get some more content, but if not, it's just gonna be what happened last night. It might be a short vlog, but it's cool. But yeah, you'll kind of, when I walked in, the girl said something to her friend. It's like I wasn't even like doing stuff for their. What happened was, break it down. It's not in the vlog. This part's not in the vlog. I'll take it back. It's not in the vlog because before I put my camera out. My homies we across the street. I'm from out east where it had no sidewalks. So I cross streets even if I see cars coming. You feel what I'm saying? Because I didn't have sidewalks growing up. So when you see the vlog, you'll kind of get an understanding. Seen some girls walking down. I said, hey, you lucky it was some dudes that came behind them. Because I was about to say something to them girls across the street. Next know the guys is on like the little scooters that people ride downtown. And they by the turn and the girls keep walking. I said, oh, that's goes to, hey, y'all. So I'm talking to them across the street. I was like, man, you know who my boy is? Y'all know who he is? And they just look. So we get inside and they in line trying to buy a ticket to get in. So I rang the other girls right there. But I'm talking to them because like continuing what happened. And I'm skipping the line, like, cause I got a ticket. So I'm skipping all the people in line. So I was like, hey, y'all should follow his pot. I said something, y'all like, ooh. Next note, I heard her say something like, it's YouTube or something. Like, I don't even got the camera out. I got the mic on, but I don't have the camera out right now. And I said, oh, what you say? Oh, nothing. Like, oh, speak up. Don't be, you feel me? But anyway, man, hey, I appreciate y'all riding with me, man. That's just a little context behind the scenes stuff. But, hey, y'all do me a favor. Go and like the video and subscribe. I'm going to catch y'all next time. Godspeed.